We are on our way to a place called Yarra Valley to go on a Halloween train, and we've just looked out the window. We're in like this gorgeous hilly scenery and it feels like we are back home in New Zealand. It is so lovely. Just hills and the road and farms. Oh, reminds me of home. So good. Are you boys excited? The boys are all in their dress up costumes. You'll be able to see in a bit. We've made it to Heathsville to see our Halloween train.
You excited, boy?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Look. Come give it a high five, Quinn. Give the ghost a high five. It says, beware. Woo! Your face matches the ghost, Quinn. It looks like you.
Why, it's just a lost little lamb who's wandered away from their flock.
I like your wand.
You make me careful.
Here's a little model railway. Where did it go? 50 trees, you think? 24 buildings, 5 horses, 3 cows. Are you sure? You have to go do guess how many jelly beans in the jar, Quinn.
Yeah, it's a bit mad today. Yeah. It's quite a bit.
We're going to go through the Halloween entrance. It says danger. It says enter if you dare. It's like a maze. Whoa, what do you think? Dad and the twins have gone the other way. Oh, there's a witch. It's okay. Oh, there's a skull. Let's not knock into that. There's another witch there. We've got to come this way. Exit. Hey, there's your brothers. See, that wasn't too scary, was it? It's like Thomas. Look at the pirate. They're flying in the wind.
Go, Ed. Wave the flag.
See now, window set, see now.
Look,
Here we go.
time to go. Bye.
It's giving us green flag. That means we're ready to go.
Dude! We're gonna get ready to go. Oh, we're moving. Woo! You got the best seat, Quinn.
Bye station. Bye.
So you can see up here, Quinny, up the top, our seats are A9, B9, C9, and then C10, D10, E10.
So apparently,
What can you see?
what's this?
Ooh,
Some wheels.
we've got old carriages on this side. Water tank. Yeah, I know, we're meant to be spotting things. Where's your list? Look, we've got to try and find, might see a kangaroo or a horse. Horses!
Take horses.
Take horses off on your list.
Horses on your list. There's horses. Yeah. Take horse.
Ezra's loving it.
Oh, that's not a duck, son. That's
Like a stork? What do you call it?
stork or an egret or something. Take off race course.
Yeah, there's the race course. Oh look, there's the cat. He's got it. He's got it. He's got the cat.
Hello, pussycat.
Oh. It's a secret. You can't tell her that he's got it. You can't tell the witch that he's got the skeleton's got the cat. He must be hiding it. Some sheep. Hi sheep. They're hiding. Or they're like resting under the tree. Hi sheep. A screwdriver? Why does she need a screwdriver?
Maybe she needs to operate the cat.
Why does she? Oh, maybe he hid the cat in a box or something and she needs a screwdriver to open it.
Maybe she needs batteries in the cat.
Batteries in the cat.
I see.
We just went under a bridge. Does it count if it's under? Quinn's ticking off everything we've seen. We'll have to wait and see. Is
Signal.
yeah, go Mikey. Say hi kitty. Nice and soft. Don't tell her. He's hiding it. He's hiding it in the toilet. He's hiding it from the witch. Look, it's so pretty.
Where is the kangaroo?
Are you sure?
Monkey, steely-eyed monkey.
The witch is still trying to do her spell. We stopped. It said caution construction
I
ahead.
think there's no... Oh, yeah, I see the tunnel.
Oh, there's a line in front of the tunnel. It's like blocked off.
It says stop. That's it.
You won't be able to see it.
Stop.
See, there's a big stop sign at the front. That was a close one. We had to keep going so that the zombies didn't get us. We had to turn around. Yeah, the zombies were in the tunnel, so we had to turn around and come back this way.
Kangaroo this one. Kangaroo is left.
How's your list going, Quinn? What else do you need to find? A signal. Oh, okay.
There's loads of the all the way up.
Kangaroos jumping, but I can't quite see them on video.
There's a whole family of kangaroos.
Oh, there they
You can
are.
look after the cat for me.
There's the kangaroos.
Yes, he can look
All
up.
right. What's your name?
She's got the cat. Back at the station.
Back to the station. There's one too.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You got this one because she thought you were the best dressed in your cool Spider-Man tutu. Wow, and you each got a goodie bag. So cool. The boys have come to the playground and not sure about Quinn on this rope chain. You can do it. You're better to stand up and hold the bars, Quinn. See, hold these and put your feet on those. Yeah, that's better, Quinn. Easier. Yeah, where are your brothers gone? One's looking for snacks. Where's the Micah? Micah's over there. Snack time. Quinn's still playing. We'll keep playground with a little train. Did you have fun on the train? Yeah? You got a cool little goodie bag.
Reverence. Prayer
or meditation.
Is this a problem to answer this question, to open the heart and mind?
Right.
So where do you think we should go?
It's kind of like a maze. So you start here and you just follow the path. So look down in front of you. See how there's different colours? You just kind of follow the path. You can go any way you like.
We have to keep to the middle.
Slowly getting closer to the middle. Here comes Ezra.
It's a man.
Stay in the pattern. You're gonna beat me now. No, you're gonna go all the way back. We're home from our Halloween train and the boys are just trying out their new ball run that they got for their birthday. This took way too long to put together. So I hope they don't knock it. Alright, show us from the start. How does it go? Put one in.
I'll put one in. Here it goes.
Pretty cool.
Here they go. Here they go. Here they go. Come on, just fall off the edge.
Oh my gosh. Alright, could be dangerous. I hope it doesn't break. This was their little goodie bags they got. A little wind-up toy in it, some lollies, a stamp. This is a sticker, a little notepad, another sticker, and a pencil with a rubber on it. Very cute. And Micah won Best Dressed Costume. So he got this very cool Yarra Valley train bag. And he got a little Halloween activity book with a pen. What else did you get, Micah? Another pen, a magnet. We can put these on the fridge. And this little paint your own plaster, which is cute. Yeah, you guys had fun on the train, hey?
He's bad.